We had Don't Stop Till You Get Enough playing video. Today we are in the animal hospital night shift. This is not animal hospital. I guess I've heard rumors. Why is the doctor orange? Isn't the doctor usually like peach? We're in the hospital in 1 hour. The left door is the patient wing. This is where we place sick patients and take care of them. Wow. Next is our front desk, where we check in patients. Ignore the door on the left. Oh, hey, do not enter. Why does it say do not enter? It's weird. Do not worry about it. Yeah, the doctor has to be hiding something. It's time to get to work. Come. Your first task is to mop the floor. This is by the studios that bring Daycare 1 and 2, and the Home Alone story, and the Grinch story, and many more, like, story horrors. I don't know. It's not. I don't know if it's like horror. Kind of like, it's kind of scary, but it's not even scary to tempt a 12-year-old to play it. It's not even that scary. 7 out of 8. Oh, you got it. You guys are as bad as I thought. Yeah, because we're good. All right. I've been on the actual animal hospital. All right. Just need to restock all 5 rooms with medicine, medkits, medicine, bandages. I cannot speak. What if I just stand right in front of it? Okay, so we need medkits all around the rooms. It's very good. Okay, put one inside of this room. Is this 1005? 1005? It's actually 1005 right there. That's 1005. I think I should just wait because there's 4 to 5 medkits. I'll place medicine from in 5 different. Okay, place it in this room. Okay. They're good. Right, Mr. Doctor, we have 4 to 5 medicine stocked in. Last but not least, place bandages in all 5 rooms. Let's see if I can go to the bandages car. Bro, I'm just in the cutscene, bro. Is this like cheating or something? I'm literally in the cutscene. What do we do now? Okay, so we put more bandages. Oh, I can't speak. We got it done. Perfect. Every patient room is fully stocked. It's time to open the hospital. Oh, great. Everyone meet in the checkout counter. Here. Oh. I can't even jump through the window. Okay, here come the patients. Why are they walking like that? They've just been walking like that. And even doctor. Which, we're not calling Dr. Harlow. We're calling just doctor. I'm going to go to room 105. 1005. Just so I don't spread. 105, my bad. Wait, it hasn't been 1005? I think I've just been being delusional. And some medicine. Right here. Finish the operation. Okay. Medkit. Okay, we got the medkit, Mr. Sir. 5 out of 5 patients correct. Good job, everyone. You earned your lunch break. Okay. Very good. That was hard. I'm starving. Yeah, you're starving? Cheeseburger. I swear, if that's the real cheeseburger, oh my, that looks so real. Is that what the cheeseburger? No, it's the regular cheeseburger. The classic Roblox. I wish it was realistic, so I'd actually feel like I was actually... Why do I have no head in the cutscenes? My head is gone. Why are people going to the security cameras? I feel like they're just predicting the game. So I'm just gonna go over here too. This is awesome. I'll stay here for the rest of my shift. They even got the security cameras here. Yeah, they do. What's going on? I don't know. Emergency, check the security cameras. What is that? Oh, the hospital is on fire. Help me put out the fires. Go to the patient wing. Why is my screen white? Is it because... It was because my head was in the TV, bro. That's crazy. Put out the fires. This is bad. This is bad. How do I put out the fires? Where's my screen? There's smoke around the fire, which means I'm putting it out, but it's not actually going out. It's not going out. It's not actually going out. Like, seriously, it's not going out. Are you kidding me? We might die. If we do not die, then I think we just got so lucky. If this was another Chainlemonade Studios game, then we would have been cooked if we couldn't put the fire out, because I think we would have died easy. What even caused the fires? Was that a patient on fire? Was it that patient on fire? I don't know where it went, but look. There. The secret door is opening? Oh, I jumped through. Oh, I'm back here. Why is there a hallway leading up? It's an insane asylum. Holy... I never knew the doctor was hiding this flaming, raging monster inside of this captivating asylum. Go! Go! Run! Run! Come on. Please. Holy cow. Please. I'm gonna try and lead the monster to all three of us. It's gonna be so funny. Holy cow, I knew it. I feel like he's just gonna die this round. But if there's even later rounds, oh my, he's kind of cooked, that guy. He might die. I just feel like he's gonna die, alright? Not judging. Okay. He's sitting here, bro. Oh, he's almost dead. My prediction was correct. And I'm just stuck here in the asylum. What are you doing in here? You can't be in here. Why am I stuck? Why am I stuck with the flaming raging monster? Bro, I'm stuck. How do I kill this thing? Bro, I'm literally stuck in here. Guards, finish them. Well, I'm safe. What was that noise? Bro, that's crazy. Dude, what is happening? Quick, go up that vent. Okay, we'll go up the vent. I'm stuck with this creepy man. This creepy animal. Why did the doctor even let him go in the first place? Or was it another experiment, like Matthew? Okay, go through the maze. Anyone following me? Oh, the guy that I said would die is following me. It's pretty good. Oh, that's a dead end. Faked. I think we're almost there because I could see just plain walls, not designed walls. Oh, yeah, I see it. Vic loves Dino's found the end. Okay, yeah, I found the end. Amazing. What is this place? There's a huge blue hallway. Why is that? Why are there people in, the test tubes? Why are they in test tubes? Oh my, if you played the Grinch story, you know what those are for. I'm not gonna spoil it. I know what it's for. I've seen people play the games. Chainlemonade Studios. Oh, to put the computers on? Honestly, Chainlemonade Studios, this game is actually not a flop. It's actually had some players, man. It's had a bit of players. Yay! Get patient. Step 1, get patient. Step 2, turn patient evil brainwashing. Step 3, build an army of evil patients. Step 4, take over the world. Moo ha 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 ha. You're not funny. I'm trying to get on top of here. I was gonna say that. You have to hide inside of that thing. Well, I guess we have to hide. Let's hide, guys. Let's hide. Hide. Why is my computer's on? We can't let anyone else find about my plan. Find out what. I feel like this guy's grammar is like from like 8th to 10th grade. Kind of mid. Actually, like 4th to like 6th. Even though we had AR levels in the 4th grade back in the day, and I was a 12.4 almost college reading level. Like, oh my gosh, I was fire. Do not ask me what my 6th grade was. I was a 15.6. And I was a 12.4 in 4th grade. 15.6 is almost impossible. People even thought my 12.4 was crazy, but after I got a 15.6, everybody was going crazy. Okay, I can move this crate too. That's actually kind of crazy. We've got to be close to the hospital. Let's keep moving. Yeah, let's keep moving. I want to get this over with. Where are we going? This is a joke. Oh, I'm on the wrong side. Are you kidding me? Let's see if I still get first. No, that'd be crazy. They're almost dead. I don't think they're gonna risk it. Almost just died. Almost fell. I want to see who's... Oh, they're all still with us. Which one should we go through? The right or the left? I don't know. This might actually be some mint that I choose. This decision will be mint. I'm going left. Oh my. They're correct. She was correct. And now we're in this area. Oh my goodness, that was so lucky. This has got to be the one. After the super obby, we're back at the hospital. Hurry. Go back. Boom. 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 I'm still in first. I'm literally the king of obbies, bro. We can't climb the ladder. What happened? Did someone use some, like, tweezers to pull off the bars or something? Off the wood? I don't know what just happened. Hopefully none of us die. If Pocky dies, then Pocky must have some terrible experience. With that amount of health, you should obviously win, bro. Get ready, we're going to take down the doctor. But I should obviously win, because I have full health bar. What just happened? How did she die? That might have been one of the most stupidest deaths in history. You guys should have stayed hidden in the vents. Now I have to end you. You're not ending me. You're not ending me. You're not ending me. Your time here is done, Doc. What do we do? That took so much damage on me just because I was right next to the doctor. Well, that person died. What is Pocky doing? Pocky's already halfway. Is it because Pocky got the same glitch I got? We're beating him up. Sometimes I can't really, like, hit him. You have to hit in, like, the same areas. Like, it's kind of crazy. I'll get on the stone. On the stone. We're gonna defeat the doctor. Once and for all. Oh my. The doctor. Doctor's almost dead. Come on. Oh. Turn over. Let's try to defeat the doctor. Come on. Let's get the doctor to halfway. Please. I can't hit the doctor. What's happening? Okay. I'm literally like 40% health. If I lose, I might actually be a loser. There's no way I lose this. Doctor. Yeah, you're not escaping me. I can't hit the doctor. Are you kidding me? Why can't I hit the doctor? Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Get on the first stone. Defeat the doctor. Please. Please. Defeat the doctor. How am I not hitting the doctor? I have to hit it in this spot. On my right side. Boom. Boom. Let's defeat the doctor. Oh my. Please, please. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. The doctor is almost dead. Go, go. I realized I had 3 of those little, like, missiles. The doctor stops attacking. And the acid. Please. We're so close. Please. Why can't I hit the doctor? Oh my. Oh my, we're gonna get there next time. I swear. I swear. If we do not, I will get so mad. There's no way we do not. Please. 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 Yes, we got rid of the doctor, finally. We got him. What about all the patients? Do we let them out? What if the doctor brainwashed them too? Remember, they said they were going to turn into an army, so I think we should lock the door. Lock. It's going to be a whole army charging at me, and then I'm going to die. There's no way I should. Let's lock it. We can't take any chances. Yeah, that's a good idea. You stopped the evil army. Success. Play again for the bad ending. Okay, everybody, like and subscribe for more. And bye!